All right, guys. So today's the day. We're heading to Turbo Lab to get my car tuned and dyno. They're also helping me to install the downpipes, the full downpipes. Let's see, my goals. I mean, we're in Utah, high elevation. Also, the best gas available around is 91 octane. So I'm shooting for 450 to the wheels, 500 torque, maybe like 520, something like that on torque. But 450 is my goal to the wheels on horsepower. We're high elevation again. We're in Utah and 91 octane. So I mean, those are high goals, but we'll see what we can do here. Okay, well, we did the best line. It's doing 320, 325 to the wheels right now before they do the downpipe, before tune. Okay, well, I'm back. Yesterday was a long day. So it turns out the software that we're using for my car, so I was doing UpRev, right? And on the website, and they said they supported Z1 Motorsports uses it. Well, is that what we know? So when I was at Turbo Lab, they updated the software, everything was fine, but they found out like the transmission was acting up, so they thought like, okay, well, probably it just needs a tune. We figured it out. Transmission tune wasn't needed. They didn't do it. They found out how to trick it. But then with UpRev, just so you guys know, if you're having the same issue tuning, like it was holding the gas for some reason at the end, and then while I was driving it on the road, it had issues downshifting. We found out that it was beta for all VR30s for UpRev, with UpRev. So if you have the same issue, it's a beta. And then we call UpRev and they're like, yeah, don't use it, it's not working, we're not going to support it. So I took it back this morning, and they're putting the OEM software. So that's where I'm at. I mean, the tune wasn't finished, and I was hitting 420, 425 to the wheels. But yeah, I contact another tuner, the only one in Utah that I know of that uses ECU Tech. So I have an appointment with them next Tuesday, and we'll pick up from there. But yeah, I believe I remember right. I have to go back, check the video, but I think it was like 380 or something like that to the wheels before tune and after the downpipes. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I mean, 420 to the wheels right now is the number, but it's not even finished. They told me the car is totally capable of like 440, between 440 and 460. So we will see. Next video will be at a different tuner with different software. We'll see how it does. But yeah, thanks to Turbo Lab. Those guys are amazing. Unfortunately, UpRev doesn't support my car. Hopefully in the future does. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to the video. Thank you.